How to copy YouTube video link on laptop or computer. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you copy YouTube video link on laptop or computer. Open YouTube in your web browser and go to the video you want to share or copy the link for. Once you're on the video page, look at the browser's address bar at the top of your screen. This address is the direct URL to the video. Click inside the address bar to highlight the URL. You might need to click at the end of the URL and drag your cursor to the left to select the entire link if it's not automatically highlighted when you click. With the URL highlighted, copy the link by right-clicking on the highlighted text and selecting Copy from the context menu. Alternatively, press Ctrl+C on Windows and Command+C on Mac. Now that the URL is copied to your clipboard, you can paste it wherever you need. To paste the link, right-click in the field where you want to share it and select Paste. Or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows and Command+V on Mac. Additionally, YouTube offers a built-in feature for sharing links directly from the video page. Below the video, you'll see a Share button. Click on it. A small window will pop up with several sharing options, including the direct link to the video. You can click the Copy button next to the link, which copies the URL to your clipboard without having to manually select and copy it from the address bar. If you found value in what we shared, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our upcoming content.